Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will discuss about if you are iPhone user and you want to log your Apple ID or personal information on iPhone. You can see just like that I have logged my Apple ID, my personal information. I am tapping but no opening my Apple ID and my personal information you can see appears on screen. If you want to log your Apple ID and personal information just like that, please follow these steps. First of all, before starting the video, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. This feature available in any iPhone, no matter which iOS update, software update working on your iPhone. First of all, simply open setting application appears on screen. Tap on it here. Now scroll down. Tap on screen time here. Simply tap on this is my iPhone. You can see tap on it and tap on turn on screen time. Tap on it. Tap on it and you can see simply tap on content and privacy section here. Simply turn on content and privacy section. When you turn on first time, is asking your screen time passcode. Simply scroll down and tap on account changes here. Simply tap on don't allow and now close this window and open Apple ID here. You can see my Apple ID logged successfully by this method, and my personal information on my iPhone totally secure, and you can secure your personal information and your Apple ID by this method. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.